Hey guys, so this is how you download the software. So you go to 80j.com. Search my DMX buddy. Click on it. Click downloads. If you have Windows or Mac, in this case we have Windows, so we can click download. Wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, in whatever case or browser or computer you're using, open it. Go to the folder. Oh, no, not that one. That one. Click this one. Just click extract all. Extract. Click on it again. Click on that. Then just wait. And then this is gonna pop up. It's gonna make you go through another wizard. Just click next and just let it do what it's supposed to do. Click install and finish. And there you go. My DMX 2.0. After it's all downloaded, you want to open the software. And then we're gonna we're gonna go down, in this case, to Chauvet. Intimidator Spot Duo. And then we're gonna go here. Well, actually, no, we're gonna go. So, to create a scene, in this case, since we're using a movie head, we're gonna go here. We're gonna click this one. And then we need to open the shutter, so click these two. And click those two. And then let's put a. If you want to put a gobo, you gotta slide this. And then if you want to put movement, we click effects, click that, click position, and as you can see the head start moving. And then we can make a hexagon, square, or a polygon, or even a line, which I use this for like a crisscross motion. And then this is how fast you want it to go. So if you want it to go faster, and to delay each head, move up the phasing. And then that delays each head. And then if we're gonna put a color, that's really it. And then go here, click generate. And then we can name the scene. And if we go to live, and there you go.